How to fix Nintendo cannot download game. First of all, go ahead and then check the storage space. Navigate to the system settings and go to data management. Review your system memory and micro SD card availability. From there, select the manage software to delete or archive old games you no longer play to make space for your newer games. And then also verify network configuration. You simply have to delete your network profile in system settings and then once again select your Wi-Fi name and re-enter your password again. And you can also re-download the software. Highlight the broken game icon on your home menu and press the plus button. Head to manage software, then delete software option. Now open the Nintendo eShop and select your user profile icon, then click the re-download. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.